Hey guys, welcome back. Hello if you're new. My name's Ashley and welcome to my channel, Ashley the Homemaker. I am currently doing a series on my channel where I am decluttering and organizing my home. If you walked into my house, you would be like, she's organizing and decluttering for 20 days straight? What? Because it does not look like that. My dishes haven't been done in 2 days. Today and yesterday. I'm not doing them. It is currently like 8 o'clock. I have been so busy today, so I'm literally only doing 30 minutes tonight. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just break down some boxes and organize this over here. Just this. So I'm not too sure. This is all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. These boxes, these 2 rows of boxes, this trash bag, and then I've got a tote, I think, behind those boxes, and then I've got like a laundry bag right here. Yeah. My coolers I'm not getting rid of because we use coolers a lot around here when we float the river. I don't know what to do with these boxes. I put on Facebook today that I was getting rid of them, and I've only had one person, so get with me. All right, so we're gonna, yeah, I don't know what to do, guys. I just don't know what to do with the boxes. Like, I guess I could just straighten them up and kind of like lay them over here on the side. I don't know. All right. Let's go ahead and get into it, guys.
For fool's gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did. For love, yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's I did it all for love.
Okay, I'm gonna end there. I'm sweating and I need to go to bed and I need to put that stuff away. Don't ask me where I'm gonna put it. Probably the guitar and stuff is gonna go in the front closet, and all the piddly stuff. I'm gonna wash Seth's hats for him, and put the kids' shoes back. The flashlights will go in the drawer that all that stuff goes in. But anyway, this already looks a lot better. Now these boxes here are either trash or this one right here is just like spray paint and just random stuff that I know is throughout this. So tomorrow I am gonna get in here and I'm gonna get the rest of it. I'm not really gonna set a timer. Yeah, I'm just gonna get in, get it organized. I've got a few boxes I have to go through. I still don't know, and I've got to go through all this stuff and take pictures and put it on Facebook so people can come and get it, because I want it gone. I was gonna do a yard sale, but they can come get it for like 20 bucks because I want it gone like that. And if it's not gone by Sunday, it's free, or I'm gonna go donate it somewhere. So all right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope this gave you motivation to get in, get something done today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Till you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.